Yeah. You know, I've been around for a while now. Not sure if I have much left to prove. Yeah, I do. I look at me now, I'm thinking, damn, how proud of me I am. What I did is nothing to sneeze at. Even if your allergies are bad, I'm up in the balcony in France. I look around, I see the fans, how they surround me in the stands. Probably could drown in a sea of hands. Got no time for no haters in this bitch, or toleration for the shit. But like medication, my dedication and the time it takes to do the shit reminds me of how an overcrowded hospital waiting room would get. What I mean is, maybe I have more patience than I'm able to admit. But just cause I made a little bit of change, don't mean I've changed a little bit. Brain full of wit, dangerous, can't distinguish this English language when it's lit. And I'm just parading you with it, it's shady till I'm 82. I speak this crazy, even Dre, he knows I'm a blow. Better get the handkerchief again.
I'm a product of rock him, lock him, Sebastian, walking. W-A-Q, hey, that win, never easy, thank you. They got slim, inspired enough to take hope up, blow up, and be in a position to meet Run DMC and induct him into the motherfucking rockin' Roll Hall of Fame. Even though I walk in the church in person of Hall of Flames, only Hall of Fame I'll be inducted in is the Alcohol of Fame on the wall of shit. You bags think it's all a game till I walk a flock of flames. Off of the ranking, tell me what the fuck are you thinking? So I wanna make sure somewhere in the shitty scratch I scribble and doodle enough rhymes to maybe try to help get some people through tough times. But I gotta keep a few punchlines just in case, cause even you unsigned rats are hungry looking at me like it's lunchtime. I know there was a time where one side was king of the underground, but I still rap like I'm on my Pharaoh munch grind. So I punch rhymes, but sometimes when you come by up here with the skin color of mine, you get too big and hit it comes trying to sing to you like that one line I said on the back on the Mathers LP1 when I'm trying to say I take 7 hits from Columbine. Put them all in a line at an AK-47 and a revolver and a 9. Seems like I get away with it now that I ain't as big as I was, but I'm turning to an immortal, coming through the portal. You're stuck in a time warp.